Let's start the one more problem from the bill of exchange. Whereas here the seventh problem. Let's discuss this. X draws the three bills on Y for 10,000, 5,000 and 3,000 respectively. Y accepted the bills and X retained the first bill and bills payable after 1 month, and the second bill was payable after 2 months, was sent to bank for the collection, and the third bill is payable after 3 months, discounted with the bankers at 6%. Make the journal entries in the books of X and Y, he is asking. Here three bills are existed. Three bills are existed and three bills that maturity time period is different. Like bill 1 is 1 month, bill 2 2 months, bill 3 is 3 months. And these three bills are utilized in three ways. Where is that? Whereas the first bill he said he retained, he hold the bill. First bill he has hold, which is the cost of 10,000 rupees. And second bill is for 2 months, which was sent to bank for collection. And third bill is payable after 3 months, which was discounted with bank at 6% of discount. And is asking to write the journal entries in the books of both parties. But here the conditions are two. Whereas the condition one is bill, if it is honored, what will be the entries? If the bill is dishonored, what will be the entries? Like that, the simple question is asking that where the bill is drawn of three bills, which is respectively 10,000, 5,000 and 3,000, and these three bills are utilized in three ways. One is hold by the drawer and another one is sent to bank for collection, and third one is it was discounted with bank. Now is asking the entries to record in the books of drawer and drawee if it is condition of A when the all the bills are honored. If the bills are dishonored, whatever the entries will comes under in the books of drawee and drawer. So this is the best example question to understand what is the difference between of accounting treatment in the bill honor and dishonored. Let's discuss this condition 1 and 2 respectively with the example of this question where the three bills are prepared, and if it is honored we will discuss first. Let's discuss as we discuss the condition A, when the bills are honored. What is the condition here? When bills are honored. Okay, when the bills are honored, what are the journal entries we will write in the books of both parties? Where are the in the books of drawer, in the books of drawing? From the beginning, we'll discuss which is three bills are drawn. How many bills are drawn here? Three bills are drawn, and each bill is utilized in three ways. Whereas the bill number one, which is 10,000, it is held by the drawer. The first bill is payable after the 1 month and it is retained by the X. Who is that X? X is the drawer. And the second bill is payable after 2 months and it is sent to bank for collection. Sent to bank for collection. And third bill is discounted with the bank. Let's discuss the one by one entries. So we will discuss here first one in the books of drawer. In the books of drawer. Another one is in the books of drawing. So here the drawer is the X and the drawing is the Y. Now when the three bills are drawn, what will be the entries first? Simple entry in the books of drawer, bills receivable account at R. So we can take the each and individual bill separately, like bills receivable account 1 account at R, bills receivable 2 account at R, bills receivable 3 account at R. 2. On whom he has drawn the bill? On the name of Y. So Y account will be recorded. This is the first entry when the bill is drawn. Where the same bill is accepted by drawee, then in this situation the interest will be simply the X name will be debited. X name account at R, X account at R2. What is accepting here? The bills payable. So three bills. Bills payable account 1. Same for bills payable account 2 account 2, bills payable account 3. So this is the three, and bills will be accepted by the drawee, and this is the simple entry we'll record in the books of drawee. Next and drawer. This is the first entry. Next one more entry we'll write for the after bill drawn. The drawn is utilized the bills in the three ways, whereas the three bills he has utilized for the three ways. Whereas first bill he has written, he hold the bill, and second bill he has sent to bank for collection, and third bill he has discounted with the bank. Let's take one by one here. First, when he hold the bill, any entry is required? No, there is no need of any entry, or there is no entry when the bill is holding by the drawer. So we will not write any kind of entry in the books of drawer. Okay. Next one, when it is sent to bank for collection, what is the entry when the bill is sent to bank for collection? Simply, bill will goes out. What we have to remember, simple logic, bill will goes out, which is the second bill, we remember that. Bill will be goes out, and what we will write? Bill sent to bank, bill sent to bank for collection account. This will be the debited. Already we have discussed this. Bill sent to bank for collection account at R2, bills receivable account. The total amount of bill amount, which is 5,000, is there, that will be recorded. If what will be the entry in the books of drawee? If the bill sent to bank, as I said, the drawer can utilize the bill in the four ways. Either he can hold the bill, either he can discount, either he can endorse, either he can send to bank for collection. But there is no any entry, even he utilized any way of the bill, he can write. There is no any entry in the books of drawee, but there in the books of drawer, for every utilization, for the holding there is no entry, for the sent to bank for collection this entry will be recorded. If the bill is endorsed, that entry is separate. When the bill is endorsed, endorse account at R2, bills receivable account. If the bill is discounted, that entry will be different. Like that, in the different utilization of bill, there are the different entries in the books of drawer, but there is no any entry while utilization of bill in the books of drawee. Next, so here we will not write the any entry. Now if you look at that, when the bill is discounted with the bank, what is the entry will come here? When the bill is discounted with the bank, simply bank will give amount immediately. So bank account debtor, and whatever the 6% value is there, that will be considered as a discount amount. The discount amount will be debited, and this is the discount allowed to the drawer. Discount account debtor. 2, what it is goes out here? The bill is goes out. Bill number 3. So this entry will be recorded in the books of where? In the books of drawer. Bank account debtor, discount account debtor to bills receivable account. Completely a bill is indirectly sold to the bank, and amount he got immediately after the 6% of discount. And this is the entry will record in the books of drawer. At the same time, there is no entry because I said just now I said that even bill is utilized in different ways. There is no entry of in the books of drawee. Just the accepted entry of the bill and honor or dishonor entry will be recorded in the books of drawee. So this is entry will is also not recorded. Now we'll discuss the starting of honor or entries, which is very specialty of this question, where honor entries. Honor entries, what we will write? As we discussed, the three bills are utilized in three ways, where the three bills at three places honored, what will be the entries? Simple. If the bill is retained, it means it is holded by the drawer. There is no entry, but the honor entry will be recorded. The holding entry is not required, but honor entry is required. So honor entry, what should we write? The honor entry, the cash will come. For example, the person will come and make the payment. So cash account debtor. What will goes out here? The bills receivable account, which is the first bill is honored in the hands of drawer. Simple entry is cash account debtor to bills receivable account. The total 10,000 we are expecting we have received, and this is the honor entry in the books of drawer. When what is the entry in the books of drawee? Simply that amount. What goes out here? The cash is goes out. Cash is goes out, and he will take back his bill whichever he is accepted previously. So bills payable account debtor to cash account. This entry we have to be record. Next, when first bill is honored, if you discuss about the second bill which is discounted with the bank, that entry is not required. Actually, second situation is sent to bank for collection, right? Sent to bank for collection means we'll get the money, bank account debtor, and what will close? Whatever the account we opened, which is called bill sent to bank for collection account, that we have to close, which is bill sent to bank for collection account. This account we have to close, and that will be credited. And this is the entry when the bill is honored, which was sent to bank for collection. Next, come to here. What will be the entry? Same entry, bills payable account debtor, which is bill number 2. Which is bill number 1 is this. Bill number 2 account debtor. So what he is paying? Consider he is paying the money to the bank, because here the bank is collecting the bill amount. So we'll consider as a bank account. This is the second bill honor entry. Whereas the third bill is discounted with the bank. Already we have sent. Okay, already we have sold the bill at discount rate. Now there is no need of honor entry. But if in case it is dishonored, that entry will be recorded. So honor entry of bill which was discounted, there is no entry in the books of drawer. But if the bill is dishonored, the entry will come. In the case 2, we will discuss that. This is the case A we are discussing here. So here, what about the drawee entry? Drawee will be the same entry where he is paying the bill, bills payable account debtor, which is the debit total, bills payable account debtor. Third bill it is S2. What he is paying here? Bank is paying because the amount he is paying. Bank account, he is paid the amount. These are the three entries of honoring in the books of drawee. These are the only two entries, because when the bill is honored in the hands of drawer or in the hands of bank which is sent to bank for collection, if it is discounted already, the amount is already immediately he got after the discount, and there is no need of discounting entry. Again I am saying, if it is honored, there is no entry for the discount of bill which is honored. But if the bill is dishonored which was discounted with bank, that dishonor entry will be recorded. So these are the 5 entries majorly in the case of bill honored, which are utilized in 3 ways of by the drawer. These are the bill honor case. Let's discuss the dishonor case. Here the case 2, when bills are dishonored. Bills dishonored. Okay, here the two cases we will take. Again, remember the same entries. For the bill drawn and bill accepted, same entries. I am not repeating the entries. Whereas bill drawn entry, we know that in the books of drawer. We will take here in the books of drawer, in the books of drawee. Same entries, which is the bill drawn entry, which has bills receivable account debtor to the person who is the drawee here. Person Y is the drawee. Okay, so Y account we will write. When bill is accepted here, bills payable account debtor to X account. We will write this entry when the bill is drawn, and when bill is discounted, when his bill is sent to bank for collection, when the bill is whole, the same entries will come. If example, for your clarification, I will repeat the entries. For bills discounted, when bill discounted, bank account debtor to discount will comes again debit, bank account debtor, discount account debtor to bills receivable account, same entry. And wherever he discounted, wherever he sent to bank for collection, there is no entry. Sent to bank for collection is also same entry, which is we will write bill sent to bank for collection account debtor to bills receivable account, which is the bill number 2. This is the same entries will comes under the in the books of drawer and drawee, even it is honored or dishonored. The discussion is about only is that bill is honored, what entries will come. If the bill is dishonored, what entries will come. So same entries will come here. No need to discuss it again. Now discussion is about if the bill is honored, what are the entries will be differ from the drawer to drawee. We'll discuss. First one, when the bill is dishonored, which was retained. First case, when the bill is dishonored, which is retained, hold by the drawer, immediately the bill will be become obsolete, which bills receivable account debit. The bills receivable, whatever the debited amount when bill is drawn, that will be credited here. The bill is gone here. Is that money received? No, the money is not received from drawee. So we will write the drawee name. Y's account debtor. Y's account debtor to bills receivable account when it is holded bill. When it is holded bill. What will be the entry in the books of drawee when the bill is dishonored? Simple. Where is he will say that bills payable is back. Bills payable is back. And he will called as again the particular drawer X is the become again creditor X account. Now he will write this entry bills payable account debtor to X account, but he will say as Y's account debtor to bills receivable account. Now bill is dishonored, which was holding by the whom in the hands of drawer. Second condition, when it is sent to bank. Sent to bank. In this case, when it is sent to bank for collection, in this case the amount is not received at the time of sending. Now We will say that whatever the entry we recorded, bill sent to bank for collection account, that will be debited. Bill sent to bank for collection account, that will be the debited. And two, what we will write? Bills receivable account. Bills receivable account will be credited. This is the dishonor entry. Whereas the dishonor entry in the books of drawee will be the same, like bills payable account to account debtor to X account, X account. This is the second entry will be recorded for the dishonor in the books of drawee. Whereas third case, which was discounted with the bank, already we know that discounted, when it is discounted, the bill value is 3000, it discounted after the 6% means 180 rupees. After discounted 180 rupees, the bill amount whichever dishonored, what will the bank will do? Simply the amount after deducted the 180 rupees, the remaining amount will be they taken back from us, and it will be taken from your account, which is bank account. They will take the amount from you, bank account, and what will goes out here, the bill is already goes, and we will say as vice account. Vice account debtor to bank account. The total 3000 rupees they will take back from your bank account. The bank people will take that directly. The total 3000 of bill amount they will take from your account. Whereas the what is the entry here? The same entry, bills payable account 2 or 3 account debtor to X account. So these are the entries will be recorded in the books of drawer and drawee when the bills are dishonored. Remember, at the time of dishonored, all time the drawee will write the drawer name in the side of credit, whereas the drawer will write the drawee name at the debit side. This is the way he will close the books of accounts in the books of drawer and drawee. These are the major entries of bill dishonored and honor entries in the books of both parties.